and welcome to Đà Nẵng International Airport. The long time now is 10:44 p.m.
If you're looking for a place in Hoi An that feels calm, central, and a little bit like coming home, let me show you Hoi An Old Town Residence. This guest house sits along a quiet, lantern-lit street just steps from Hoi An Market and the Tu Bon River. It's one of those locations where everything is within walking distance, but you still get peace and quiet when you return at the end of the day. Now, the entrance is a little unexpected in a good way. Bright yellow walls, blue shutters, red lanterns. It looks like classic Hoi An from the outside. You don't walk into a lobby, you walk straight into a clothing boutique. Inside is cozy and a bit eclectic. Once you walk through the shop, the noise of the street fades and a small doorway opens into a quiet courtyard filled with plants and lanterns. It feels like stepping into someone's home. The real highlight here is the hospitality. Even though I didn't meet the owners, Thuy and Quy, the team, especially Ms Vy and Ms Huy, made me feel genuinely welcome. It's the kind of warmth that reminds you of staying with family, not staff. I stayed in the Queen Room, which is a generous 30 square meters, at 1,070,000 Vietnamese dong per night. The pattern tiles give the room that old town charm, and the wooden ceiling adds a cozy touch. The queen bed is comfortable, the decor is simple, and the vintage sewing machine table repurposed as a writing desk is such a lovely detail. You'll find pink ceramic cups, daily water, a kettle, and a small minibar in the fridge. There's a wall-mounted flat-screen TV right opposite the bed, and you can log into your own streaming accounts if you want to wind down with a show at night. The air conditioner is strong and reliable. It kept the room cool even during Hoi An's sticky afternoons. The Wi-Fi is decent for things like email and Zoom calls, but don't expect heavy-duty uploads or video editing. It slows down a little during peak hours, which is pretty normal for this part of Vietnam. Storage is simple but thoughtful. There's a light, open wooden wardrobe with enough space for clothes, bags, and the provided slippers. My room also had an interconnecting door to the next room, something that would work really well for families or groups of friends traveling together. Housekeeping is excellent. Ms Huy kept the room spotless every day, the kind of cleanliness you'd expect from a higher-end hotel. The room doesn't have a window, but the terrace doors open out to the courtyard, and honestly, that more than makes up for it. It's peaceful, atmospheric, and very Hoi An. The bathroom surprised me. It's big, clean, and practical. There's a stone basin, a rain shower, and the bath mat is changed every day. Breakfast is served right in the courtyard, and is one of the prettiest corners of the property. Tall plants, colorful lanterns, a cool tiled floor, and that long wooden boat used as a table. It all feels relaxed and slow, the way mornings should be on holiday.
Thank you.
I ordered the fried eggs with baguette. Simple, fresh, and comforting. Perfect, with a sprinkle of salt and pepper and a bit of local sauce. Most mornings, I would venture out for street food because Hoi An never disappoints. Laundry service here is also a lifesaver. Quick, affordable, and very handy if you're staying longer. Overall, even though this was the priciest stay of my trip, it offered fantastic value. Great location, heartfelt service, spotless rooms, and a home-like atmosphere. It's the kind of place I'd happily return to. If you're a solo female traveler looking for a safe, friendly, and welcoming stay in Hoi An, Hoi An Old Town Residence is a solid choice.